15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalaya, unknown. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions, that his ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend in union with the cosmos. They called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment. Stated upon his unbridled wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed. Adiyogi, reveling in ecstatic states, said, I want to have what you have. Show me the way. Yogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman.